Hello, hello. Hello guys, hello. So today the market continues on the uptrend. QQs and SPY, they're consolidating above the previous day high, but we don't see like really that much off open setups. Like the most I'm looking at is Microsoft and Hood, but Microsoft has overhead. And then we have Palantir with a good off the open. I'm gonna switch a Palantir maybe to like the 150s. The best one would be like Palantir probably. This is random gap up above the daily 200. You get a nice squish there, nice squeeze. Oh, we also got SMCI in the setup, but it's gonna be like a 30-minute flag thingy. So see how it goes. Like we wanted to flag better. SMCI, QCOM. QCOM would be like a continuation. Let's check Palantir. There's salaries, yeah, 150. So TP would be like 151-ish. It's not really much setups, just except for like these ones. Oh yeah, there's also Dell. I forgot. Dell gap up on earnings, but it's gotta have the base for a bit. Oh, Hood is turning up. Palantir, if it doesn't, it has to hold here. If it doesn't hold, then I'm not touching it. These three names. We'll see how it goes. It's always the Friday the T is in a size smaller. Hmm. Oh. I have my hand open on ready for a Palantir. It's probably Palantir or Hood. Oh, see, no play here. Oh, dumping insane. We have Microsoft. Test it out. It has to hold pre-market high though. If it doesn't hold, then we cut it. immediately. Okay, nice scalp on from pre-market high to daily 200. Nice scalp. If it breaks, it's fine. Then we'll just play the retest later on. See, it's rejecting here, so it's unsure of things like this, and I'm playing one con. I'm just gonna trim because we're up like 50%, so it's fine. Wow, still going. That's crazy. See, on things like these, I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be careful, but if it works, it works. It has. If it does clear the 200 daily, it's gonna flag here, so we can play the retest here again, which is pretty nice. We pull up the 440s. Oh, Palantir is building up. Yeah, so we're not gonna slap off these because it's not the first candle. We're gonna wait for the retest here. Same as hood. It broke out a little bit too late. We're gonna wait for retest on these. There's probably a bunch of sellers from Microsoft here just because of the daily 200 EMA. Oh, there's actually no sellers here. Okay, okay. Oh, QCOM on the break also. What thought we got the flag here. But I don't want to play between the pre-market range. I'm gonna put this off here. Put down the back side to see what QCOM does. Oh, it actually rejects the pre-market high. Okay. That should be the flag high. Yep. Rejects high of the flag. Palantir. Rejecting. I don't know if I'm pronouncing Palantir. Palantir. I don't know. Okay, Microsoft Stronghold, which is nice. We're gonna wait for like a retest on the 200. It's also a gap fill. This player could be big today. We could go up to 460. And then if we have Q supporting, I'm gonna go in with my full position sizing. Because now we're trading with only one con. And now we can do like 2 or 3. We have profits today. So we can just chill and play. Yeah. It's probably gonna take like another 10 minutes to retest. Palantir pre-market high retest. Ooh. Look at the cons there. Ooh, everything's starting to pump now. We won't be FOMO because we hit a green trade just now. We're gonna wait for a retest. And do not enter on the highs. On trend days like these trend days, as long as Q's doesn't like randomly dump out or there's no like random Trump news, we should be able to like hit 3-minute and 10-minute setups. Gotta thank God for the patience. Ooh. Notice how it's interesting on the premiums. On Palantir, even on the initial 3-minute candle, the impulse pumped the premium so high. Right now, even the price is above 150. The premiums are not even as high. Interesting. I think I should add another screen that lets me show you guys the Webull premiums instead. Now Dow's got a long way to go. SMCI not pre-market high yet. Apple? Whoa. What happened to Apple? It's continually trending upside. Okay, put us on the board. Let's look at the cons. See how it goes. 315. Wait, actually, it looks really nice. Intel's flagging also. Intel. Oh. My swing kind of messed up because I bought not enough DTs. Let's see. I'm down like 100% on my swing. my plant here. Holy moly. Let's see. Goes to this high. That was just like parabolic longs or something. Let's look at SoFi. Nope. Damn, SoFi gap up. Fills the gap. I have quite a huge position in SoFi shares. I mean, for some of you guys, it's not huge. For me, it's huge. I have like 200 shares in it. But average is pretty low. It's like 762. I just hope Microsoft gives us an entry that doesn't, like, I hope it just doesn't go straight to gap fill yet. I hope it gives us like a retest before the gap, or like a retest, like retest the gap or something. That'll be cool. Like, we might be looking at a 445 cons. Yeah, OI is higher. 445, and then pull up here, retest, and then all to 460. Like, QQQ needs to pull back, but not like a reversed hammer candle. This is what I don't like. Yeah, even Apple, it doesn't look that good right now. Like, this candle, it's not really a nice flag. I needed to like have a couple more here. Look at Amazon. Nope. Well, Apple retested the 20 EMA on 3-minute premiums. Yeah, if I do miss this trade, it's fine. It's not like the textbook perfect setup that I want. Going back to QCOM. Let's see. Hope it does break pre-market high. Oh la la, SPY. VIX just keeps dying. The market is not fearful at all. I'm gonna keep going out. I say Robinhood retest. Let's do the 9. We might have to pull up the 90 calls. But I don't like how it's rejecting the daily 200. What I want is it to like maybe like a flag in our retest, like flag above the 200 and then go with. Before the calls. I can fish for options here, but nah, Apple, no. It's not a retest. It just dumps through. I need a strong wick hold here. Man, it's not properly retesting on Microsoft. Spreads on Microsoft is kind of huge. Man, I might be missing this, but it's fine. Yeah, it's whatever. It's just not the best retest that I want. I mean, low-key, we might have to play the 10-minute retest. Damn, what is Apple? Apple's just straight up doing the 10-minute retest before 10 a.m. Or she's dying. She just decides to die. Hood is not as good of a pick right now. It's like rejects daily 200. Let's check here. Yeah, Hugh said, oh, seller stacking above. Man, I thought it'd be a cool day today. If today all we get is the opening play, it's still fine. I'm gonna be grateful for the opening plays. Like, I hope it kind of just goes here and then just flags out. Like, right now, it's this is not as good as a flag as I want. Like even looking at the 10 minute and the 30 minute, it's like it's all top wicks. We could take a stab here, but it's risking. It's just I don't know, everything's just kind of meh right now. I really wanted to like just base above the 200 instead of like this. Let's see. Look at the 1 minute, see if it's any sellers, buyers here. Nothing. So it's just it's all clear up there. Okay. Oh, okay. This is all clear. Damn, why is Q's not pulling back at all? Still flagging. Nvidia. Eh. Snow. Stay the EMV's there. Damn, I missed this one. It's fine. I think I would play the 10 minute retest on Microsoft instead. It's kind of wacky right now, especially with this candle. Okay, now it's flagging better. We get one more retest there or snag it. We might be even able to play QQQ 10-minute retest. Look at 3 minutes. Oh, this is straight green candles. Now we're gonna look at the 10 minutes. The 3 minutes kind of wacky right now. It's like, sure, it's building a flag. It's like kind of choppy-ish. Wait for the flag out here better. Like ideally, we retest like, I don't know, like here. What else is there? Nvidia, Apple. Let's look at Apple now. Ew. It's flagging on 10 minutes. There's not really anything stacking up here. Let's look at a 5 minute then. Well, let's start scanning for some other plays. Actually, this HPE. It's gap up, but not a good trade. Oh, CrowdStrike. Straight trender. I'm looking at this. We're gonna look at this later. Oracle. Oh, okay. Wait, Oracle is a day 2. I'm gonna add this to the list. Palantirs. Oh my god. Eh. Man, it's kind of chase entry here. Man, everything's just ripping. Man, this is the Palantir is to be traded really fumble, man. But it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. We're gonna get a 10-minute retest. Wow, I guess lesson learned. Next time trend days, I'm just gonna slap the first AEMA test like it's right there. Even on the premiums. That's insane. Oh my. Like 100% on Palantir. And Microsoft is squeezing now. Oh. Damn, Microsoft. We might not be able to get a retest there. We get like a second AEMA retest probably. In the gap. Well, but grateful at least we avoided the Robin Hood thing. Microsoft's rejecting the gap. It's time for some pullback. It's time for some pullback. Like Palantir, if we get a 10 minutes out, it's probably gonna be at least at 10:30 when the European market closes and the money from there comes here. We will abstract a little bit, maybe like 155 calls. Take 150 off the table. What else is trending right now? Apple, Nvidia. Still not good, still not good. Even on 10-minute. I don't like this flag. Oh, SMCI retest not valid now. It's switching to 10-minute. Oh, so still have to wait for the Vic. If it does randomly like have a super strong wick here, we're gonna enter, but otherwise we're not gonna enter. Okay, now that is a strong wick. But it has to be above the AEMA. Testing on 3-minute again. This is so sus. It just rejects the gap and retesting like this. Well, SMCI reclaim? I'd really wish it would retest on the 10 minutes from Microsoft. If it Wixer, I'm slapping. With 42s. Yeah, we're gonna do a feeler. It's a little bit higher entry, it's a little bit of chase entry, but risking like $33 a con. If it does not work, then it's also okay. Then we'll just slap the 10-minute. Yep, got stopped. It's fine. Now we'll be looking at the 10-minute. Looking at the 10-minute. This is whole 440. It's actually hold 440. It's holding 440 though. Only this candle close with towel. 440. 440. It is not holding 440. I repeat, it is not holding 440. I just need myself a nice Palantir flag here. Let's look at Oracle. Get a 10-minute flag here on Oracle would be nice too. That's a dump. That's a huge dump candle. But SMCI is not valid also. I'll be looking at some QQQ calls. $740 calls. The watch list. We're looking at the last 2 minutes. If the last 2 minutes holds above 8, then we'll slap it. But so far, no dice. We're not. Things dumping right now. We're not gonna slap. 10 more seconds. Yep. There's not many trades right now. I don't need it to hold above ADM or close above AEM, man, for any type of player. Boom, boom, boom. Like there's my bear starting to get my bearish signs here. You can buy. Alright. I'm gonna enter one starter. The last minute. Oh, immediately get stopped out. Are we gonna get immediately stopped out? $29. Damn, I don't like these dump candles, man. I try to fish for an order. The 20 EMA and for from Microsoft. Qs need to hold the VMOP for us to add more stuff on it. So far, it's not really holding much. Man, they're really not gonna give us the full trender day, huh? All right. All right, another starters on Microsoft. Man, the spreads on Microsoft really killing me. SMC, I had a retest also, but missed it. You can't really catch all the plays. Oh, retested on the 20 also is a nice one. But now we just need VIX to start dying down and keep holding. That would be chilling. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna add on this flag break. Might be laddering it up also. Oh, I guess we're not gonna get what we want on Qs on the market today. This market's decided to switch to start flipping directions. Let's look at the other bearish plays. Tesla. Yeah, the rest of the market decides to start dying. Meta is retesting the gap. MBIS bearish also. Q's got stopped. But Meta is still holding. Or stronghold. Meta is pretty strong today. Like with Q's dying like this. Not Meta, Microsoft, sorry. Please hold for me. Please hold for me. Man, I can't really add right now on Microsoft because I need Q's to just bounce. And then I need it to hold the pre-market high also. If it candle closes above pre-market high, then we'd be chilling. But otherwise, I don't want to hold yet. I don't want to add yet on the position. I'm not gonna fake that out. I'm not gonna fake out yet on this. Like if it decides to reverse on us, then we'll not. We can always add later on. It's a nice wick. W wick. W wick. I'm gonna ladder for 42s. is gonna be a big play. We're gonna lock in. Gotta lock in on this play. See, we cannot add yet. Q's is still not confirmed bullish. We needed to bounce off pre-market high. We have two cons, ladder and a 442.5s, and then see if we can get the full gap fill. It's fine, we get some pullback. We just needed to keep pushing all the way to high of day, and we sell a 442 con, and then full gap fill. For the we're gonna move Stalos to break even for the 440s. Got in the money. 42 is kind of risky. We're gonna let it move. We need the Qs to reclaim the 10, the AEMA, and VWAP. Set an alert here. Hopefully it does reclaim. Let's check on this one again. There's sellers, buyers, sellers, none. It's just stacked at the bottom. I'm gonna show you a nice position here also. Palantir is not gonna give us a retest here. It's fine. We need Qs to not dump like this. Ay. Okay, first it has to clear the 441.94s. For 8%. Let's look at QQQ also. Got any sellers stacked on top? Well, it's a buyer. It's a buyer stacked on top here. Let's look at 1 minute. Yeah, it's still buyers there. Just get past this like wick candle, and we'll be chilling. Yeah, right now we are lathering our trade. I think you see it in our live PNL there. There's two cons, 442.5s and one con 440. Come on, Q's! Come on, Q's, please, please, please. Mr. Freeball, I like Palantir, but it's fine. We're gonna focus on Microsoft. Alright. Nice continuation. For Microsoft, the 440s, we're gonna be moving a stop loss, CBC. I'm gonna start setting stops for well, now we're approaching the gap. The Microsoft is in the money. Let's see if it does hold the gap. I hope it doesn't reject the gap though. It needs to get past the gap. Man, there's no that we can't be scared here. We have to be objective and judge. Yep, it's rejecting the gap. We have all our stops here. We won't be afraid to lose money. We just have to maximize our profits. Man, Q's is not doing good. We might have to close our position depending. Market decides to dump more. So far, it's still holding. We're gonna trim when it hits half day. Let me see my alerts on the candle. As long as we keep making 10-minute highs, it still can go. We're getting ready to trim. That's just small won't give me high of day, huh? Okay. So will not give me high of day. Yeah, we're gonna move the CBC up. Yeah. Not yet. Yeah. Come on, just give us the high of day. And we can just set our stops and be on our way. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, please. The market is really bearish right now. I gotta be really careful on this. It's rejecting the gap a second time. Might have to close this. It's still bouncing here. What is happening in the market right now? Is it news? Yeah, no, this is sketch. We're closing the trade. Yeah, we're closing. Like, this is a special occasion because Q's is dumping way too hard. Alright, we're probably done for today. Not a bad day. Just we should have gotten the gap fill. Well, this means like next week we're probably gonna get the gap fill. It's good pullback in the market. So far, we like, if we count this as like the laddering trade as one trade, we're like 2 for 3 for the day. Are we? No, 2 for 4 for the day. Not bad. Alright, I'll see you guys next week.